Let's eat acorns. Because we are squirrels. Good job. Yes, we are squirrels. Okay, ready? But sometimes the squirrels, they dig and they hide their acorns and they can't find them. Okay? So we're going to play a game of hide and seek.
Hide and seek.
Hide and seek. Okay, so close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay, open your eyes. Oh, what's wrong? One acorn is gone. It's gone. We need to seek it. Okay? We need to look for it. Good. Are you ready to sing?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Repeat after me.
Okay.
Hide and seek.
Hide and seek.
Don't you peek.
Don't you
Peek. Count to 10.
Count to 10.
Then we'll see if you can find me.
Then we'll see if you
can find me. And then me is the acorn. Okay? Okay, ready? So, are you hiding?
Are you hiding
Between the board and the chair?
the board and the chair?
Go look, go look. Is there an acorn?
No. There's.
Are you hiding?
Are you hiding
In the garbage bin.
in the garbage bin? No.
No. Are you hiding?
Are you hiding
Under
under
the garbage bin.
the garbage bin?
Let's see. Go look.
Oh, yes!
Great! Okay, so where was the acorn?
The
The acorn
was
under
the garbage bin.
Garbage bin. High five. Good.